Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate easily at home. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cup of milk. A tiny pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract will elevate the flavor. For an extra decadent treat, consider adding a handful of chocolate chips. First, in your favorite mug, combine the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget that tiny pinch of salt. Stir these dry ingredients together thoroughly. This simple step is crucial for preventing any pesky lumps later on, ensuring a smooth and delicious hot chocolate base. Now, add about 2 tablespoons of your milk to the dry mixture and whisk vigorously until you have a smooth, thick paste. This creates a rich, lump-free base. Then, heat the remaining milk until it's hot but not boiling. You can do this in the microwave for about 1 minute or gently on the stovetop, watching it carefully. Carefully pour the hot milk into your mug, stirring continuously as you do. Make sure everything is thoroughly combined. Stir in the 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you're using chocolate chips, add them now and stir until melted. Top with whipped cream or marshmallows if desired, and enjoy your perfect hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.